Hello, this is a quick tutorial about Google Tour Builder so that you can use it as a teacher to create your own tours and also have your students create their own tours. I'm a teacher of Spanish as a second language and I've been using Tour Builder with my students for a couple of years. Since we cannot take unlimited field trips to different countries, they get to create their own tours and in this way they explore other places. So let's get started. This is the Google Tour Builder site, and it's tourbuilder.withgoogle.com. You can just do a quick Google search for Google Tour Builder, and it will be the very first link on that search. So the first thing you want to do is to sign in. I always sign in using my Google account. There I am. Okay, and I'm ready to create a tour. So I go here to the red button, create a tour, and I want to give my tour a name. For example, we're gonna try to create a little tour to Spain. I write my tour name and also my name, the author's name, and I create a tour. And this is my introduction to my tour. This is the very first thing that I will see when I visit my tour, when I view my tour. In my introduction, I have my tour name, I have the author name, and I can add a photo. Okay, in this case, the first thing, the easiest thing is to search for images on Google. Since we're going to Spain, let's see what I can find. Okay, let me choose this one. A map of Spain. Select, and this will be the cover picture for my tour. Tell the story. I get to write a little bit about our tour. We are visiting Spain. Okay. Type of story, 3D. I always leave it as 3D. Path color, you can change the color of the line that you're gonna see when you move from one location to the next. The default is yellow and I like it that way. Once my introduction is ready, on the left side of the screen, I'm ready to add a location. With my students, when we create a tour, I always like them to start home, and home for us is Monterey in California. So the map is going to take me there. I want to check that this is the correct location that I wanted to find. And once I verify that it is, I can add it to my tour. There we go. What I like to do now is to make use of the Street View capabilities inside Tour Builder. And we can drag the little pegman to the map and blue paths will light up. And wherever there is blue, I can drop my little guy and it will take me to a location in Monterey. If I like and I'm ready to actually, I can explore around a little bit. I can always exit Street View again and drop my pegman somewhere else. For example, let's go here to the wharf and I get a little view of the wharf. If I like this view, I can lock this view. And what that means is that when I land in this location during my tour, this is where I will land, exactly in this place. If we go back here, I can see the location name. I can add photos and video up to 25. The easiest way to do is to click on more and I can search for images on Google or search YouTube for a video. Let me search for images. Monterey, let's see what I get. Oh, and I can pick a few of these. Maybe this one, and why not this one? Select, and my photos should show up right here now. There we go, there they are, my photos. I can choose a start date to my tour and an end date. And I can write something about this location. I usually have my students research a little bit about each location we're visiting and then writing the information right here. Once this is ready, I can add a new location. When I click on Add Location, a new slide will appear on the left side of the screen and I can go somewhere else. For example, let's visit the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. There we go, Sagrada Familia, Barcelona, Spain. Okay, I want to make sure that it takes me to the right place. There we are, Barcelona, that's it. I want to add to tour, and then I want to have fun with the little pegman. So let me see if I can get a good view of the Sagrada Familia from outside. There we go, look at that. If I like that, I can lock this view, and if I want to continue exploring, I can exit Street View and see perhaps if I can go inside the building. There we go, I'm right there. If I like this view, I lock this view, and I can add photos and videos. Let me try to add a video this time. Let me search YouTube, Sagrada Familia. There we go. I will preview the video. If I like it, I select, and the video will show up here. Again, I can choose a start date, end date, and I can write something about some information about this location. Once this location is ready, I can continue adding as many locations to my tour as I want. Once my tour is finished, I want to click here, done editing, okay, and I'm ready to view my tour. To view my tour, we go to the little hamburger on the top right corner of my screen, and I have different options. I can continue editing my tour. I can play the tour full screen inside Tour Builder, or my favorite, what I like to do, is to open the tour on Earth. In order to open it on Earth, the default is going to be private. Your tour is set as private, but to open it on Earth, you need to allow certain visibility options, and you need to share it with anyone who has a link. Save and open, and my tour will open on Google Earth. There we go. This is my tour. I save it, and I move this to the side, and I'm ready to take my tour. I can use the arrows right here at the bottom right corner, and let me start my tour. My first location, Monterey. We start at home. It's going to take us there. Right here, I can look at the photos that I added. I can see them small, or I can make them full screen if I want to see them big. Okay, and here we are. Once I'm ready to travel to our next destination, I click on the arrow, and it's going to take us now to Sagrada Familia. There we go, and we should land on the street view that we locked. There we go, there it is, Sagrada Familia. Once I'm here, I can explore around. I can see the video that I added right here. And I can move on to my next locations. And that's Tour Builder. One thing to consider about Tour Builder is that you can share the tour. When I share the tour, I can invite people to view my tour. I just enter their email addresses, or I can share the link. But I cannot collaborate with somebody in a tour. So this is something to keep in mind as you plan group projects with your students. If you decide to use Tour Builder, only one student will have editing privileges. The other ones will only have viewing privileges. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this and that you give Tour Builder a try. Bye-bye.